everyone, welcome back to Odoo is Tech. Guys, I'm very thrilled to guide you today through a very useful customization in Odoo. If you have ever thought of enhancing your delivery slips with barcodes, this session is for you. Okay, before that, let me just show you what Odoo version I'm using. So if we just go in settings, we are using Odoo 16 for this customization. As you can see, Odoo 16 Community Edition, and for our coding we are using, as usual, Visual Studio Code. And as usual, I have got my custom add-ons folder, which is customization. Okay guys, so why barcodes? Well, lots of our friends and channel subscribers have just asked me about this customization. Barcodes streamline the delivery process, make scanning products easier, and reduce human errors. Let's dive in and see how we can integrate this into our Odoo delivery slips. So before we just start coding, let me just show you that what I'm talking about. So if we go in sale order, we just create a sale order and add a product here in sale orders. So let's talk about block screens, let's talk about cabinet with doors, and one more product. So this time we choose corner desk, right? So okay, do that steel, and now I confirm my sale order. After confirmation, there is a delivery order will be created. Once we go in delivery order, so as you can see that cabinet with doors is available, that is reserved. So let's do this one. We can say that we do done and validate this. So because only one item has been done and two have not been done, they are remaining, so it will create a back order for those two which hasn't been done. So I would say create back order. So at the moment, if you go on that sale order, you will see there are two delivery orders. One has been done and one which is pending. If I click here, so this is done and this is waiting. So both delivery slips, if I just click delivery slip, so we can see a delivery slip. So this is kind of report which I am talking about, customizing this report. So I just want to add another header, and okay, if I just show you, this is the delivery slip, and what I just want to add another header which will be barcode or product barcode, and then we want to add barcode there in the value. So this is the scenario. So what we need to do before we dive into the code, it's essential to understand the structure we are working with. Odoo, as most of you know, is modular, and we will be enhancing an existing report without modifying core code. This is the beauty of Odoo: easy, non-intrusive customizations. So this here we can just this is the delivery report which I have just shown you. Functional, yes, it is functional, but can it be more efficient? Absolutely. Notice the layout and the existing columns. We are going to introduce our barcode column into this, and for those unfamiliar, XPath is our toolkit. So let's dive into that. So first of all, let me just go in my customization. I click my reports, and I will just add a new file which I name it delivery slip.xml, and I just copy this, go in my manifest file, and here I just reports, and then slash, okay, and then paste it. So that's it. This is how we can give reference to our XML file. Go back to our XML file. What I do, let me just copy the important stuff. So okay, what I'm doing, I'm just, okay, this XML is, yeah, basic. This Odoo tags, as you know, very important when we are doing customization. So this is the root element for XML based Odoo definitions, and then after that template ID, and then inherit ID. So this line tells Odoo that we are creating or modifying a template. So what we do, let me just create template name first. So I would say report delivery slip inherit or customization, whatever. So, or instead of inherit, I would say barcode. Okay, and in inherit, here, as you already know, that we need to give the reference of the actual report we are inheriting. So what is that? That is stock. What you need to do, you need to go in Odoo. So this is, okay, let me just check. I have already opened it for you. So this is the one, report delivery slip, and you need to copy this. This is the template ID, and here Control V, and in which module it is, that is stock. So that's it. This is how we do our template ID. So yeah, after this is set now, okay, so this is our main delivery slip. So first of all, if you see the structure here, you see this is address portion, we don't need that. This is information block, we don't need that. And now the page is starting here, we don't need that. So here, this is the main thing which we need. So first of all, we need to inherit this table, and table name is stock move table, and we need to add a new th with the name barcode. At the moment there are 3 headers. If you go front end, if you see 1, 2, 3, so product, ordered, and delivered. So if you go there, you see product, ordered, and delivered. So what we want after delivered, we want to create a new th heading, and then we need to create a barcode value as well into it. So for that, we go back into our delivery slip, and we start with XPath, as you already know. So this is how we do it, XPath expression. And then, as I have already shown you, we are starting with table, and table name is let me just check again. Okay, if we go back, the table name is stock move table, so we copy from here. So this is the table. Right, and after that we need to go into t-head, then tr, then th, and then we need to give that th name we want after. So that will be so if you go, this is the one, quantity. So we want after this one, the third one. So we go back and we say name, and now we say position is after. Right guys, so yeah, So first we are going table. This is the name, T head, TR, and then we going T, yep, and then after that we want after this. Okay, and what we want after this, we just want a new TH name. So let's copy from here. Okay, so we want a new TH name. We call this TH SM barcode, and here we want the heading product barcode strong. Okay, that will be bold. It will be bold. So this is it. So this is for our heading. After heading, what we need to do, we just need the value in our table. So how we can get that? If we go in our original report, you see the T body is here. This is for the product, this is for the quantity, this is for the quantity done. We want after this. So we want after TD3. So what we will do here, let me start with another XPath. So copy this one. Okay, here what we will do, I think so this is, if we go in our the main delivery slip, so we are going to get the first table. So the table name is stock move table. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now we need to inherit the T body. So how we can do that? So if you come here, so we can start with T body. First we need to target T body, and then TR, and then TD, as I have already spoken, after 3. And position is after. What we want after that, for that I have just copied this and I just explain it to you what we are going to adding. So this is the one. So first we are adding a TD. Okay, so we are starting with TD, and this is defining a cell in a table. Style is text align center, so we are aligning it in a center. And then second line is T if move dot product ID barcode. So this is just for that if there is barcode, then just show that barcode. And then next div, we are saying that move dot product ID dot barcode, and then we are adding a widget, barcode symbology auto, width 400, height is 100, quite 0, image style is height 35. So basically we are displaying the product's barcode visually. The T options are settings for how the barcode should be displayed. Widget means we are using a special tool to show the barcode. Symbology auto lets the system decide the best way to display the barcode. Width and height define the size of the barcode. You can change it according to your requirement. Quite is 0 ensures that there is no extra space around the barcode. This is really nice and very handy tool. Image underscore style height 35 sets the height of the barcode image, and then the barcode. So yeah, this is it. I hope you understand this, and I believe, yeah, I have just tried my best to let you understand this bit by bit. Okay, so that's it. So let's restart our Odoo service and then upgrade Odoo. So let's first of all we go to apps and let's upgrade Odoo. Okay, it has been upgraded. Our module, custom module, has been upgraded. If we go in sales now, so this sale order I have already created. We already have created, and there are two delivery orders. So one is done, one is in waiting. So if I print delivery slip for the delivery order which is done, sorry, my system is a bit slow. Okay, so this is done. So if you can see, this is for the back order and for the another, because there are three scenarios here in this delivery slip. But the delivery slip which is in waiting, if I print that, this is the one. So you can see, so our barcode is already in there, so only our T head is not properly displayed. So what I can do, because there are three tables, so let's just remove this table from here. We directly touch T head because we don't need name here, because for other two tables we will do it with name. So let me just restart it again and upgrade our service again. Sorry for this delay, guys. I hope it should be fine now. Okay, our module has been upgraded again. Let's go in sales and go in the sale order which we have created again. So delivery orders, and we print it again, delivery slip. I hope we will get it sorted. Okay, so yeah, it's all done. So here, as you can see, product order delivered, and then we have added a T head which is product barcode, and then we have also configured our barcode. Please make sure when you go in your sale order, and here in product you have actually written the barcode there. So already barcode is there, so it's all done. Okay guys, this is how we can integrate or just add barcode in our delivery slip, but this is not it. This is not it. So as I said, this is not it. So if you look at the original delivery slip report, so if you see, this is the first table, which is stock move table, which we have already inherited. Okay, after that there is another table which is stock move line table. This is for the scenario when you create a back order, so then for that template. So this is, we also need to inherit if we want barcode for that. And then there is another scenario which is back orders. So once we create back order, we also need to inherit this table as well. So I will also explain you how we can do that, but this is the first bit. I will add another video and we can talk about adding barcode in that scenario as well when we are creating back orders as well. So thanks guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like it, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Ta-da.